Hey guys, this is Zarina Begum from CCAV Institute of Engineering and Technology. In today's video, we will learn the dominant strategy. In dominant strategy, player A tries to win the maximum and player B tries to win the minimum. So we are going to make the row-wise and column-wise comparisons here. So when we are making row-wise comparison, I try to retain the row with the maximum value and delete the row with the minimum value. Similarly, when making column-wise comparisons, we retain the column with the minimum value and delete the column with the maximum value. So let us compare 1 and 2. So when I am comparing 1 and 2, 5 is greater than 3 and 6 is greater than 5 but 3 is smaller than 4. So no comparisons. Let us compare row 1 with row 3. So when we make a comparison here, 8 is greater than 3, 7 greater than 5 and 9 greater than 4. So 3 is dominating row 1. So that's why we retain row 3 and delete row 1. So I'm going to delete row 1 here. Next we are going to make comparisons with column. So 5 is smaller than 6 but 8 is larger than 7. So no comparisons. Let us compare column 1 with column 3. 3 is smaller than 5 but 9 is greater than 8. So no comparisons. Let us compare column 2 and column 3. 6 is greater, 7 is smaller. So no comparisons. Again in the next step we are going to make a comparison with row 2 and row 3. So here again row 3 is going to dominate row 2. So we delete row 2. Next we are going to make comparisons with column. Here I'm going to make a comparison with column 1 and 2. So when we make a comparison, 7 is less than 8 and 2 is less than 4. So we retain the column with the smaller value and delete the column with larger values. So I'm going to delete column 1. So next we are going to make comparison again with row 3 and row 4. So when we make a comparison, 7 is greater than 2 and 9 is also greater than 8. So 3 is dominating 4. So I delete row 4. So we delete row 4 here. Next we have left out with column 2 and column 3. So when we make a comparison, column 3 is having a larger value, 9 is greater than 7. So I delete 9 and retain 7. So the game value of this problem is 7. Thanks for watching my video.